Hello, this is Michael Emery with Emery EPS Internet Marketing, and this is a quick walkthrough on how to set up a website with Google Analytics and also Google Webmaster tools. These are two very important and different tracking tools that can be connected to each other, and if you're going to be doing SEO campaigns of any kind, you want to be tracking the results. And in fact, if you've got a website, you need to know who's visiting the website, where they're coming from, and what they're searching for that shows your website. It's a good way to also verify if you're doing any pay-per-click like Google AdWords. You can verify that the traffic coming through is actually the traffic that you're paying for. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to analytics.google.com, and I'm already logged in over here with my Google account, so it's going to show up right away. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to admin. We're going to click down here on create a new account. And then this is where we can put in our website. So we'll put in the name of it. So it could be, I'm just going to do this with Apple because I've used it in the past. And obviously I'm not going to be able to verify the Apple website, but I'll put in the account name is Apple, the website name Apple again, and then I'll put in, it already has the HTTP part, so I'll just put in www.apple.com. Select the industry that's relevant. Obviously, you're going to be putting in your information here, so put in the relevant industry. I'll put in shopping. Choose the time zone, etc., and then click on Get the Tracking ID. Now, once you do this, I'm going to go ahead and do this here. You have to accept these terms of service. I accept them. And I'll end up going back and deleting this account. But then you'll get this tracking code, and the tracking code has a ID, which can be associated with a plugin on your website. Like, for example, if you're using a WordPress site and you've got a plugin, sometimes they just require the tracking ID. If you're not using WordPress, or you don't have a website that has plugin capabilities, then what you'll need to do is you'll have to put in this script. You have to copy it onto every single page that you want to track. So that can be somewhat complex. Our team can help you with this. We can get that set up for you if that's an issue. Now let's move over to Google Webmaster Tools. Let's do the same thing. I'm already signed in through my Google account, and so I'll just click sign in over here, and it's going to show up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a property. So click on add a property. Here I am. I'm going to do Apple again. Add that. And obviously I can't verify these accounts. Nobody can go in and create an account and then connect it to your website with analytics or with Google Webmaster Tools, because they have to be able to verify it. So this is giving me some verification options here. I can download a file and then upload that file to the server. There's some other ways, for example, alternative methods. This is typically what I use. Add an HTML tag, and then by adding this tag either into a plugin on your website or directly onto your website, I'll give you a quick example right here. Putting it into the head on your website will allow you to verify that this account is yours. So obviously I don't own apple.com, so I'm not going to verify it. But this is something that would be that our team could set up for you if you guys have any questions, or the individual who created your website should be able to do this for you. So just a really quick walkthrough in terms of how to set up analytics and Webmaster Tools so that you can verify the traffic that's coming into your website. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you.